Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are back with another hair video, and today I'm going to share with you how I make my apple cider vinegar mix for hair. Now let's get started with this video. The first thing I will need is a measurement cup, and I will be making 16 ounces of my apple cider vinegar mix. Next I will need a spoon and of course my apple cider vinegar, and I always make sure to pick the one that says with the mother. And I will also need the AVOCADO bottle to be able to put it on the scalp and hair. To get started, I'm gonna pour water on my measurement cup, and I'm gonna make sure to pour 16 ounces. Next, I'm gonna add my apple cider vinegar, but before I do that, I'm gonna shake it up and down for a few seconds, making sure that it's well mixed before I use it. If you enjoyed this video so far, please consider subscribing to our channel, and why not share this video with your friend, family, or anyone you know. Since I have 16 ounces of water, I will be adding 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Now I'm going to transfer this to an AVOCADO bottle to make it easy to put on the scalp and hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider pressing that like button and stay tuned for the next video when I'm going to show you how I'm going to be using this apple cider vinegar mix on hair. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you on next video. Bye.